Hello everyone, welcome back to the video series of object oriented programming with the Java. Our today's topic for this particular video, that is the map interface. I am an instructor Mr. Ankit Patel. So let's start with the map interface. So here the map interface, you can use this data structure if you want to store the value according to the map interface. So what tells the map interface? That is available in the java.util package, and it represents the mapping between the key and the value. So here the two field is required, the key is there and the value is there. Now the map interface is not subtype of the collection interface, therefore it behave a bit different from the rest of the collection type. So it is quite different than the set interface. So map is implemented by the hash map, link hash map and the tree map. So let's discuss about the first one, that is a hash map. So here the hash map class that is implement the map interface and which allow us to store the key and the value pair, and where the key should be unique. So we can store the different value pair according to with the key value, and if you try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element of the corresponding key. It is easy to perform the operation using the key index like the updation, deletion, because there is a key associated with the this hash map or this map interface. We can easily update the value as well as we can delete the value, we can insert the value compared to set interface. So that is the difference between set interface and the map interface is there. And the last one, that is a hash map class, is found in the java.util package. So these are the important point about the hash map. Now the next one, that is a link hash map class. Now again this class is a hash table and a linked list implementation of the map. So here the hash table is there as well as a link, as the concept is similar than the linked list with the predictable iterator order, but it inherits the hash map class and implement the map interface. So here the concept, as I told you in the set interface, these three has, if you talk about the hash map, if you talk about the link hash map, if you have the tree map, these three are the data structure. And using this data structure, it behave like if you are talking about linked list, link hash map, it behave like a linked list where the different node attached with this address. Now let's talk about the tree map. Now this particular class is a red-black tree and base implementation, that is a red-black tree. Now it provides an efficient mean of storing the key value pair in a sorted order. So here the specific order is there if you are talking about the tree map class. So these are the three different class of the map interface. I will also explain all these three with the live example. So without wasting so much time, let's start the programming. Now in this session I will show you the example of the hash map, then the link hash map and the tree map. So let's first see the example of the hash map. So now here in hash map, again it is a part of the java.utility package, so we need to import java.util. Then the main, I am just creating the hash map. So he can see how to create the hash map, because I am just specifying the value of my key as well as my data. So here my key value in the form of the integer, that's why I am passing the integer, and the second value in the form of the string, that's why I am passing the string. So here my hash map, that is in this specific data type value only accepting. Here the value in the form of the string and the key, that is accepting only in the form of the integer. Now if you want to just add the item, here the not add method is there, here the add method is a put method is there, that is the object of the hash map, that is the object name is map. Then in map.put you can put the value according to, like 1 mango is there, then 2 apple, 3 banana and grapes. I am just adding 4 value in that particular my map has map. Now I am just printing using the iterator, right? That is a map dot entry m colon map dot entry set. Here what this line tells, this will just print the value until like map dot entry m. This tell that you can get the different value until the our map is not empty. So map dot entry set and system dot out dot println. I am just getting map dot get key. So here the first one, that is a key, and second one, that is value. So here the m dot get key, and then it will print the m dot get value. I will show you the first of all output, then you can easily understand the code. Now let's compile this particular file, that is a has map demo.java. There will be no error. Then has map, I am run this particular. So here this will print a 1 mango, 2 apple, banana and grapes. This will normally it will print the value. Now you can just put it value. Now in the here the order is matter in the map. That is the main difference between set and map. Here the one key is associated with it. You can easily insert and delete the data in the list. Right. So hope you understand the simple example of the has map. Now the next one, that is the example of the tree map. Sorry, the link has map. So here I am just using the link has map, as already I have created the using the has map. Here the link has map. Now all these three has, if you are talking about the has map, link has map and the tree map, these all are the type of the data structure. So here I am making the same type of program, but in behind the logic is different, in behind the concept is different, because if you talk about the linked list, this will add a specific node in the specific order. In case of you are talking about the hazing, there is no specific order behind. So in linked list, if you are talk about the linked list, the first node, then the second node, the first node will store the address of the second node will store the address of the third node. Now in a tree, the one root node is there, then the different order is there. So here the different data structure, the different method available in this particular data structure. I am not explaining all this method, I am just using this specific simple example as far as the theoretical is concerned. So now in a linked list, you can also add the specific value as well as the string, that is the value, key value and the our value, that is a key and value. Here 100, 101 and 102 are the key, and the Amit, Vijay and Rahul are the value. Same as I am using a for loop like map dot entry m, right here entry m colon, then hm dot entry set. So all the entry set it will return. If it is available, this will print m dot get key and the m dot get value. Let's run this code. Link has map dot, then this will print a 100, 101 and 102. So you can see the output of the link has map. And finally the next example, that is of the tree map. Same, I am also creating the same program using the tree map. I am just putting this value in a tree map and using that particular value. But as I told you earlier that you can store a different value in a tree map as well as in a link has map, in a has map. But the functionality of the tree, that you can add us in display in ascending order, in a descending order, if you want to print the data in a different manner, right? That is the main functionality of the tree. But once again, I am not explaining all these different method of the tree map, so that I am just giving a simple example, right? So here the tree map, I am creating the object of the tree map, then finally I am just putting the value in the form of the integer and string, that is my value in the form of the string, and my key, that is in the form of the integer, and I am just adding a 4 value. Now if you want to just add here, if you want to print that value, then you can directly add. Now if you run this code, you can see the value here. I am just adding a value in unordered. First I am valuing a 100 value, then 101, then 102 and 103 is there. But my output in the form of the specific key value manner, like first it will print a 100 data, 101, 102 and 103, right? So here that is the advantage of the map compared to set. In a set, whatever the sequence you are adding, this will display in that particular manner, because there is no specific order in a set interface. But now if you talk about the map interface, here the order, specific order is there. So you can easily insert and delete that data particular. Now if you are adding a specific data, like I am adding a map.put, I am adding with the index 104 and my data, that is the Ravi. Now you can see the output here. Here the 4, it will print a Ravi. Now that is another difference between the set and map interface. In a set interface, the duplicate value is not allowed, but here the data are stored in the duplicate manner also, because there is a one key behind the data. So using the key you can just access the data. But now in set interface there is no key behind that, so you cannot just access the data using the key. The only we have the value is there. So that's why the duplicate is not the duplicate data is not allowed in this set interface. Now in a map interface subclass, the duplicate value is allowed. You can see I have already stored a Ravi in a 102 index. In a 104 index I am storing the Ravi also. So this will store the data because we have the key. If you want to access the data, so we have the key. So using key you can easily access the data, right? So hope you understand all these three example of, that is a hash map, link hash map and the tree map. So all these three example are the same kind of example, but as I told you, the concept behind these three example are the different. There are the different method available in these different classes. So hope you understand all this program. So that's it from the programming. So thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Thank you very much.